A new book highlighting the 5 years of the Abdullah Badawi administration includes an insightful interview with the former Prime Minister, who, among other things, vows not to treat his successor, Najib Razak, the way his predecessor, Mahathir Mohamad, treated him. In Awakening the Abdullah Years in Malaysia, Abdullah describes one of his biggest critics, Mahathir, as very set in his ways. Mahathir has been vocal about his unhappiness with Abdullah, particularly after the latter postponed a number of Mahathir's projects during his term. But Abdullah explains the decisions he made were to reduce the country's critical deficit levels. In the book, Abdullah also defends his tendency to fall asleep as a result of his sleep apnea condition, something which had become the butt of jokes of his political rivals, including from Mahathir himself. Also in Mahathir's firing line during Abdullah's term was his aide and son-in-law Hairi Jamaluddin, who critics believed had undue influence over the Prime Minister. Abdullah, however, has dismissed this as simply untrue. Aside from the interview with Abdullah, Awakening also features more than 40 essays and interviews from academics and analysts about Abdullah's regime. Samisha Naidu, Kini TV.